Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta ang mga Earth signs natin ngayon? No? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person right now, no? Whoever the person on your mind, in relationship man, anong connection man, no? Meron kayo family man ito, pwede rin, friendship, no? Whatever. And then, of course, message or advice from your inner self and from the universe, no? So, let's start, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Earth sign, no? For the situation ng iyong person on your mind, no? So, 3 cards for you, Earth signs. So, ano kayang nakuha nating sitwasyon ng mga Earth signs right now? Kamusta kaya ang sitwasyon ng mga earth sign? No. So, they can't, so you have this, no? So, may nagdadamot dito, earth sign. They can't have you, no? So, kanya ka lang daw, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, no? Kanino ito? And then, naku, you can't escape, natatawa pa. Parang, ano ba to? Earth sign, grabe to sino to? Earth sign. And then, but then I am worthless, no? So, aminado tong tao na to, earth sign na worthless siya, no? But then, napaka-selfish ng tao na ito, earth sign, no? So, they can't have you and you can escape, no? So, medyo delikado itong tao na ito, earth sign. Yeah, no? Hindi ka nito pakakawalan, no? So, kayo lang din makakaalam nito kung sino ito, earth sign, no? Maybe this is the person you are dealing with, no? Some of you. For me, I think this person is very controlling of you, earth sign, no? So, you have no ano talaga rito, freedom, no? Something like that, no? Nakakulong ka with this person, no? If you are if you are still in this connection, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, talagang meron siyang agenda, no? Something like that. Talagang ang gusto niya ay kanya ka lang, no? Parang ayaw niyang, pero parang hindi ka naman niya inaangkin, but then ayaw niyang ikaw ay makawala, no? Something like that. So, I think there is a hidden agenda here, no? With this person, no? So, whoever this is, no? So, medyo delikado itong tao na to, earth sign, no? So, kung sino man nakakaranas nito sa inyo ngayon, no, ay medyo red, you can see talaga is very red flag talaga ito, no? So, hindi maganda itong ugali ng tao na ito, no? May pagka-narcissist to with the hahari dito, no? So, natutuwa siya kapag parang nahihirapan ka, no? Something like that, no? Very narcissistic tong tao na ito, earth sign, no? So, I think this is a warning na, no? For you, earth sign, no? I think you have to get out of this person na, earth sign, before anything else, no, na mangyari pa, no? So, better to get out of this, no? I think this is not good for you, earth sign, no? So, very red flag, very alarming ang ugali nitong person na to. There is a narcissistic sense I am sensing here, mga earth sign, no? Maybe there is physical abuse, hindi mawawala yan kapag may narcissistic kang person. Physical abuse, humiliating, manipulating, maraming signs para hindi ka talaga nako, so it's really alarming, no? So whoever you are, earth sign, dealing with this kind of person, please get out as soon as possible. This is not good for you. This is not healthy. This is very serious. With the hahari here, this person is happy while seeing you in pain, no? Something like that, earth sign, no? This is not worth to be with this kind of person. earth sign, no? So please get out of this situation, of this whatever connection is this, get out, no? Ayun lang yung masasabi ko rito. So, yeah. And then, of course, tignan natin anong message or advice from your inner self, earth sign, no? Message or advice from your inner self, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, meron ng isang card. So, tignan pa natin. 2 cards tayo. So, yeah. Thank you, Universe, Holy Spirit. Ano kaya ito? So, yan, no? You have these boundaries, no? So, talagang may connection doon sa unang deck mo, earth sign, no? Boundary. So, mas nakikita ko rito ay talagang lumayo ka na sa person na iyon, earth sign, no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo, lumayo ka na sa tao na yun. Before pa may mangyaring hindi maganda na wag naman, please, no? Delikado na tong tao na yun. So, pati si inner self mo, sinasabi na rin sa'yo yan. Maybe, hindi mo lang ginagawa, but then naiisip mo na rin to escape, no? Something like that. And the other one is mantra, no? For some of you, very exhausted na kayo, no? Kailangan nyo na talaga ng pahinga, meditation, time for yourself, no? For some of you, deep connection kay God, humingi na kayo ng tulong kay God para gumawa na siya ng paraan. Something like that, no? Nakikita na kayo niyang inner self mo, papagod ka na. Earth sign. So, take some action na, earth sign. Get out of the situation before anything else bad happen, no? Something like that, no? So, you need time for yourself, no? Masyado ka nang exhausted, di ba? I think this is something very serious, earth sign, no? For some of you, kung sino man makaka-resonate dito, please get out, no? So, magdasal kayo, please, para may tulong na darating. Something like that, no? So, you have to get out really to that situation, no? Whatever that situation is. Because that person is really not good for you, earth sign. Meron siyang bad intention for you, earth sign. Very strongly na nasa-sense ko that person is not good. That person is something, meron lang talaga siyang kailangan or ayaw lang niyang maging masaya ka, no? Something like that, no? Kaya hindi kanya talaga, ayaw kanyang pakawalan, no? At gusto niyang nasasaktan ka, masaya siyang you're in pain, masaya siya pagka nalulungkot ka, pag umiiyak ka, no? Something like that, no? Even siguro nga, pag nagdadasal ka, pinagtatawanan ka pa ng tao na ito, no? Something like that lang, earth sign, no? Kung sino lang talaga medyo na-i-intense yung aking energy, ang aking no, emotions, no? Medyo nagigigil ako sa tao na whoever is this, no? So, yeah. Earth sign, please alagaan mo yung sarili mo, no? So, wag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo, no? You have to heal with that person. But first, you have to get out for you to be able for you to heal, no? Something like that, earth sign. So, tignan naman natin anong message for you or advice from universe, no? From God. Please, advice nyo po kay earth signs natin, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please, universe. So, you have 2 cards na. And parang may positive side naman, no? Tignan natin. You have this, love is in the air and endless serendipity, no? So, yan, no? Nakikita ko rito, sinasabi sa ni universe, earth sign, no? So, once nakaalis ka na talaga dito sa iyong sitwasyon man, kung ano man itong sitwasyon mo na ito, may darating na bagong pag-ibig sa'yo, earth sign, no? At magiging masaya ka, sobrang masaya ka with this new love coming, no? Once nakaalis ka na rito sa masakit at madilim na kinalalagyan mo right now, earth sign, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe na maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo, kaya mo umalis sa sitwasyon na yan. Huwag mong sayangin ang sarili mo, earth sign. 'Di ba? You are so beautiful, you are so handsome to be in that kind of person. They don't deserve a kind person like you, earth sign, no? You deserve more. You deserve to be loved unconditionally, no? Something like that, no? You deserve to be happy, 'di ba? Ayan ang gusto sa ni universe, ayan ng inner self mo, ni God. Kasi nakikita nila how struggling you are right now, no? Earth sign. Yeah, no? So please, message and advice from universe ni God sa'yo is to have a decision, get out of that situation you are in right now. Dahil ito ang pangako sa'yo ni universe, may magandang paparating para sa'yo. This is God's reward for you, earth sign. Yes, yes, trust in me. Because ako, marami ng reward and gifts sa akin si God. Because nakinig ako sa Kanya for some instances, right? But then, still, I am still struggling right now. But then, I am confidently because I know God is with me. Something like that, right? So, I want you to be like that also. 'Di ba? Huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, earth sign. Be positive. Maniwala ka kay God. Manalig ka lang sa Kanya. Makakaalis ka rin diyan. As soon as possible. I'm sure of it. Basta maniwala ka kay God. Magdasal ka. I-surrender mo na lahat. Si God nang bahala sa tao na yan. Umalis ka na dyan. No? So, yeah. That's it for you, earth sign. So, I hope naka-resonate ka dito, earth sign. No? So, kung sino man ito, please, 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 get out of that person right away. No? If kaya mo. Please. No? So, yeah. God is waiting for you to connect. No? Kausapin mo siya. Connect with Him right now, earth sign. Nasaan ka man ngayon. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, please connect with God. Kausapin mo si God. Hinihintay kang niya ngayon. So, you can escape to that person. Maniwala ka, God will move you away and give you what you deserve. 'Di ba, earth sign? So, yeah. God bless you all, earth sign. And yeah, thank you for watching, earth signs.